Mr. Manhole has revolutionized sewer manhole technology by reinventing the manhole adjusting ring chimney seal combination. This system is a solution to the I&I structure failure, the bump, and the cost factors associated with chimney repairs. With an honest and purely Dutch quality, Floor IQ milling machines bring you convenience, results, and job satisfaction. The underfloor heating router likes to work hard for you. With a self-propelled milling machine, a hard floor becomes a party for you to mill in. With a semi-self-propelled underfloor heating milling machine, you do it together. WASP, Italy's pioneering specialists in 3D printing, has completed the printing phase of the Tekla supporting structure, the first and unique fully 3D printed construction based on natural materials and made with multiple 3D printers operating at the same time. The innovative habitat model engineered by WASP and designed by MCA, Mario Cucinella Architects, took form, a new circular model of housing entirely created with reusable and recyclable materials, sourced from local soil, carbon neutral and adaptable to any climate and context. TYTANE is an EPDM system supplier and supplies unique EPDM products. TYTANE EPDM is available in different systems for specific applications in both new construction and renovation. TYTANE offers the ideal solution for every possible installer, from contractor to installer and from roofer to maintenance company. Concrete Canvas Registered is part of a revolutionary new class of construction materials called geosynthetic cementitious composite mats, GCCMs. It is a flexible, concrete-filled geosynthetic that hardens on hydration to form a thin, durable and waterproof concrete layer. Essentially, it's concrete on a roll trademark. BIANCHI CASSEFORME designs, engineers, and installs complete carousel plant to produce sandwich walls, solid walls, bubble walls, and slabs. The operation cycle of the machines can be adapted to whatever customer needs, in terms of automation of the plant. IR are an owner-managed family company that is rooted in the Lake Constance region and is at home in Europe. IR origins lie in timber construction. Our expertise goes far beyond that. Today, IR stand for highly specialized solutions in the areas of construction, real estate, and excavators, construction machinery. KINGKLINKER, manufacturer of high-quality clinker facade tiles, window sills, fencing canopies and fittings as well as stair treads and floor tiles. The company is constantly expanding its offer with new products in response to current market demands. The combination of tradition in the production of clinker ceramics with the latest technological solutions makes the products characterized by very good technical parameters and high aesthetic values. LIGNA Systems Registered has specialized in the construction of professional, functional, and resource-saving wooden structures for industry and commerce. The core business, the planning, calculation, and manufacture of supporting structures for wide-span hall structures. The products are wooden structures with a system for industry and trade, timber frame trusses, round parking decks for retrofitting on existing hall floors, solar carports. LIGNA Systems stands for environmental awareness and sustainable thinking. The new RS Tower 5S, safer and faster at a height. The RS Tower 5S can be assembled more comfortably and faster. This is mainly because the arms form a single unit. So no more loose components that you need to assemble piece by piece. Repair cracks on floors, exterior wall corner, roofs and industrial warehouse.